Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set the chassis name in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. So log in as a root user in terminal, hostname ctl command. So you can see chassis name, there is a default chassis name is already available, which means it's showing as a VM. So you can modify this chassis name as per your needs. So this is the command to set the chassis name, hostname ctl set -chassis. So I'm setting as a desktop. So this is a desktop computer. So yes, so VM is changed to desktop, and also you can see that icon name is also got updated automatically. So this chassis name has some predefined names. Okay, so verify the hostname ctl documentation for more details. So you can't give any name. There are some predefined names for setting the chassis. So I am putting back the chassis name to VM. So this is the way you can set or modify the chassis name in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 using hostname ctl command.